Hey, what's up, folks? Mike here from NetGold, and two things real quick, okay? First things first, today is Christine's 30th birthday. All right, so do me a solid favor, head over to her Instagram page and just flood her with happy birthday wishes, hearts, cakes, all that fun stuff. Please and thank you. The second thing is we're doing a scholarship, okay? So, you know, we donate 10% of our proceeds to charity every year, but this year we're going to forego the charity part and give the money directly to people that need it. So this is going to be for individuals that are heading, I got it here on a tablet, so you know, I don't have a teleprompter, so I'm doing it this way, okay? This is for individuals heading to higher education, college, trade school, something of that nature, all right? Okay, so this is only open to individuals of the African American community, all right? So only individuals in the African American community, and you must provide an acceptance letter or transcript saying you're currently in school or you've been accepted to school and you're going to the school. All right, let me see. The deadline for this whole thing is going to be 12/20/2020. Okay, and we're giving away a total of $10,010. So each person, because we're only picking 7 people, is going to get $1,428.50. No, okay, we're going to give away $1,430 per person. Let me write that one thing here. Never mind, I get to it later. I'll do it later. $1,430 per person for 7 people. Okay, and we're going to do the giveaway. We're going to announce the winners for the 7 days of Kwanzaa. That's what it was, 7 days of Kwanzaa. So 1, 2, 3, yeah, okay? For submission, you must enter your name, your contact info, your social media handles, a 30 to 60 second video, an acceptance letter or transcript, we talked about that one already, and photo identification, all right? The 30 to 60 second video, geez Louise, I'm tired. You must tell us what you want to do with your life and how it will benefit the Black community on a micro or macro level, okay? So it's a very open-ended response. We just want to see, what are you going to do to make a difference in your community with these funds? What are you trying to do with your future? Stuff of that nature, all right? That is that. So head over to the website, nettergold.com, and you'll see a link at the very top that says scholarship, right? You say scholarship. Click that, submit the information, okay? And that's it. Wish you all the best of luck, and I hope this benefits somebody in some great way and whatnot. All right, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Feel free to share this video to anybody you know that is going to trade school or is thinking about going to trade school, anybody that has college-age kids, any of that, please let them see it. You know, hopefully we can get a lot of people involved, and maybe, just maybe, we can try and find a way to get more people to donate more money to help with this. I don't know, no guarantees on that one. I just know we got 10 grand and we're giving that away. So, yeah, I got work to do though. I'm tired, it's late, and I just had to make sure I did this before I forgot, because tomorrow's my baby's birthday, so I won't be doing any video stuff. I think we're done here. All right, we're done here? Yeah, all right. Love you all. Peace out. Catch you later. Be amazing. Don't be ashy. Believe in yourself so much that others are forced to do the same. All right, bye.